Want to bring your agency analytics data directly into Google Sheets? The Agency Analytics for Google Sheets extension makes it easy to pull client performance data into spreadsheets, so you can analyze, blend, and report on your data however you like. Let's take a look at how it works. Start by installing the Agency Analytics app from the Google Workspace Marketplace. From the listing, click Install, sign in with your Google account, and allow the required permissions. Once installation is complete, open a Google Sheet. From the top menu, click Extensions, select Agency Analytics, then choose Launch Sidebar. In the sidebar, log into your Agency Analytics account. Enter the same site address you used to log in as a staff member, or if you're an admin, select the admin login option. Don't have an Agency Analytics account yet? You can sign up in just a few clicks and get started right away. Now you're ready to start pulling data into Google Sheets. Begin by creating a new query. Choose where the data should appear in your sheet, then select the client and connected integration you want to pull data from. Next, select your data view, choose the dimensions to break your data down by, and add the metrics you'd like to include. Set your date range, then decide how the data should be organized in the sheet. When everything looks good, click Insert Data. Agency Analytics will automatically pull the data into your spreadsheet, exactly as configured. Need more data? Create additional queries to pull from multiple data sources, either in the same tab or across new sheets. To keep your data up to date, click the Refresh button, or use Refresh All Queries to update everything at once. Once your data is in Google Sheets, take full advantage of the built-in tools to format, blend, and analyze your data however you need. And that's it, your Agency Analytics data now fully connected to Google Sheets. Ready to unlock more flexibility in your reporting and analysis? Start using the Agency Analytics for Google Sheets extension today and turn your performance data into insights faster than ever.